waste any time. Jesus is the best. It's your boy Mo Fresh. I wanted to make a YouTube intro music, and I was like, wait, why don't I just record myself actually doing it so that they can hear me? All right, so here we got it. So we're gonna start off with a simple. I'm gonna do a 4-bar loop because this is not gonna be that complex. And for the beats per minute, I'm gonna do 100, something like this, something super simple. Simple chords. I'm gonna use alchemy. I just use the regular alchemy. Keys. I kind of have it like set up like where I know what I like. So I'm gonna just use sounds like that, and I'm just using my keyboard. I'm not even using the piano. Just like. Wait, it says. Wait. Okay, something like that. Okay, so now I'm not gonna have all that there, right? I'm just gonna have this 4-bar loop. So boom. Oh, let me count myself in. 1, 2, and then do the same thing. So then that's gonna be a loop. So everything's quantized. So then what I would do is I would add I'd add another sound. So yeah, so I add another sound while I'm playing this. So 1, 2, ready, and see what I'm saying? Now before you add any drums, the beat is already there. It's already made itself known. See what I'm saying? I might add a mallet and I don't want. Yeah, why not? So turn that down a little bit. Put it on the right for more space. So now the beat is already, and I don't need to try. I kind of understand where I want to go with it already. So I'm just like. I like that end. So the end. So what I do is, I like the end. So I keep the end. So I don't like anything else. So then I redo it again. So same deal. Yeah. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? And then the beat should already kind of make its. I don't like that kick. But the beat already kind of makes itself known. Again, you could use the sampler. I just found out how to use the sampler in Logic, but I just been using Ultra Beats because I've been doing this I've been using this. I've been doing it this way since I learned this 10 years ago, Logic. So there's obviously a better way to do it. This lo-fi hip-hop plugin thing, I don't use any of the other things other than these ABC drums. Like that. yeah. Yeah. So it's like that. So boom. Boom, 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 boom. And then I'm gonna add a little delay to it to kind of give a little like lateness to it, like a little D'Angelo vibe. I'm not gonna use a regular clap. I might just go. Let me go back to that lo-fi, and let me hear the percussions. Let me just go back here and hear how this sounds. So here. See, I don't like them. They sound horrible, but I know how to instantly to make that last longer. Add a delay on it, like a regular echo. You could use the stereo delay, but whatever. Yeah. See what I'm saying? So here it goes. So boom, boom. And then add the delay to this, like kind of heavily the delay. That's a shaker and a shaker hi-hat. So combination is like Ooh. And I'm gonna actually turn for the hi-hats. I like turning the quantize off because I like that natural delayedness in it, that inconsistency. I'm really in this beat. I'm like locking to it. I'm gonna use one of the rim shots from the Cymatics beat pack, again free. There it is. Just copy and paste. Copy and paste, except I'm gonna add, this one's gonna have a little bit more delay. And then instrument, I'm like not even, I don't even need anything that crazy. This is a secret that I've always used every time, all the time, ever. In the ES2, it's 2-pad warm. Like, beautiful sounding one, right? So I'm just gonna, here it goes. Oh, and then it just disappears. So let's do that again. This is another free plugin that I think I have. I forgot what it's called. Oh, lofi. Let me see what happens if I add that. I'm adding it to the hi-hat. Add a low pass filter. Okay, and then I just extend that for a minute. And that's literally, guys, that's it. That's how you make a song. Or a beat, I mean, in general. You saw my workflow, that's how I do it. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. And this is going to be, you're going to hear this in my intro video for my YouTube when you go on my YouTube channel. So that's pretty much it. I have another effect. Okay, this is an effect that I did pay for, but I know there's free options of like analog sounding, vinyl sounding things. It's in the waves, and it's this vinyl. I did pay for it, but arrest me. And then turn up the crackle a little bit. And I'm gonna turn up the depth of the wow and the flutter a little bit. Turn down the so then I'm gonna turn this. Yeah, one more time. Wow. Alright guys, this is the best. It's your boy Mo Fresh. Hope you guys got something out of that beat making workflow. Do something like that for your own self so you don't get all this weird copyright stuff. Yeah, happy recording.